Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Naughty Threads. In case you are watching this channel for the first time, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. In today's video, we will learn how to make a crochet ear saver because lot of us are having these ear issues while we wear masks, and all of us know that masks are the new normal. So we'll just see how to make the ear savers in this video. So for this I have used Hobby India yarn and crochet hook number 2, not number 2 actually, 2mm crochet hook, and I'm going to make around 36 chains. So we'll start with the slip knot and I'm working 36 chains. So you can actually use any kind of yarn you want. This is the acrylic yarn that I have used. Now I'm going to skip the first 2 chains, and in the third chain I'm going to work double crochets, and in the same chain I'm going to work 7 double crochets. You can make this for any length you want. You will have to work even number of chains, that's the only point to remember, but otherwise you can make it of any length you want. So by using ear savers, what happens is the elastic will not hurt your ears. It will just stay on this ear saver, and that way you can save your ears from hurting. Especially for kids, this is a great workaround because most of the kids tend to not wear masks because their ears hurt. Now I'm going to skip the 2 chains, and again in the third chain I'm going to work a slip stitch. So this is the pattern we will be following. 7 double crochets in every third chain. It's a very easy pattern and it's an amazing idea to make and sell it to your friends also. You can use any sort of yarn you want. This is from Hobby India and it's acrylic yarn. You can also use Anchor cotton ball, or you can also use any yarn, wool that is lying around at your home. So at every third stitch I'm going to work 7 double crochets. So that is what forms the arch, and again in the third stitch I'm going to fix it using a slip stitch. So the pattern is extremely simple and it gets done really fast. All you need is a crochet hook, some yarn. You can also use up all your scrap yarn, whatever little bit of yarn that is left after working your bigger projects like beanies and masks, boots, baby frocks, whatever yarn is left after making all this, you can use up all the scrap yarn. So this round will continue the same way till the end. I'm going to continue working, and the next step what we are going to work is the exact same mirror image of the current round. So it's extremely easy. If you know just basic crochet stitches, you can easily work this project all by yourself. Guys, if you are not following Naughty Threads on Facebook, please do follow us on Facebook. Lot of new videos are being updated on Facebook, so please do follow and share it with your friends as well. So see how cute it looks. I have finished working one side. Now we will work the mirror image. Yeah, before I work the mirror image, I am yet to fix this last stitch, so I'm going to work a slip stitch in the last chain like this. Turn the work. And in the same stitch where we have worked 7 double crochets, I will simply continue working 7 double crochets. You can use this as a lace, you can use it as a bookmark, you can use it in whatever you want. So since masks are compulsory now, all of us know how important it is to wear masks, and there is a lot of people complaining about ear infection, the skin getting affected because of the elastic, because whoever is working outside tend to wear masks all day, and that definitely causes irritation. So that is when these ear savers come handy. So again, the same place where I have done slip stitch, I've just worked slip stitch. So this round also will continue the same way. It's very simple pattern, so please do give it a try. In case you're working for kids, you can probably just reduce the number of chains a little. And yeah, I guess that's it. If you want to use it as something else like a lace or a bookmark, you can work. The length totally depends on you. So the length you want, you will say for example you want about 20 inches long lace. So whatever number of chains are required to reach that 20-inch length, that is the number of chains you will do. But just make sure you are working even number of chains. That will make life easy. So see how beautiful and pretty it looks, especially with this acrylic yarn, because it has that little bit of shine. It looks really pretty. So I'm going to fix this last bit by working a slip stitch here, and I'm going to trim the thread. So to finish the project, I will use some big buttons as well as a tapestry needle. So I'm going to insert the thread in the tapestry needle. So once the thread is in the needle, I'm going to weave the ends like this so that there are no loose tails visible. So weaving is a very important part in crochet. This is how we try to hide all the loose tails in any project. So once all the weaving is done, I'm using 2 big sized buttons. You can use wooden buttons, you can use any kind of fancy show buttons or anything of your choice. Using the same thread and the yarn needle, I am stitching the buttons. So when you wear the mask, the elastic actually gets locked into these buttons and it will save your ears from hurting. So do give it a try, and do post the pictures on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is mentioned in the description box, or you can also post the pictures in the group, the Crochet Club by Knotty Threads. So once I'm done attaching this button, I'm going to make 1 or 2 knots and then weave off the extra tail and then trim it off. And we have our ear saver ready. You can actually make these kind of ear savers in different colors to match your dress if you have a lot of time, or it's an amazing option to make and sell it to your friends as well. So this is how it looks in the end. It definitely works. So do give it a try, and in case you guys have not subscribed to my vlog channel, do subscribe to Kanika Reddy Vlogs. Also check out my blog knottythreads.net. If you want any supplies, do check it out on knottythreads.com. So if you are watching this video without subscribing to this channel, do hit that red button. And I guess that's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care.